Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I'm coming to you with just a quick video. I don't really have a word of the year or, I don't do the color of the year. I pretty much just set, not really, I guess goals, but I kind of take the days as they come, artistic wise, artistic goals, kind of as they come. But knock on wood, each year I've been able to at least meet, if not exceed, my goals. So my goal for this year is to do more for you, bring more content for you. So starting the year off right, today being the first of the year, I want to share just a quick little thing that I'm newly able to do. I'm making these faux stamps, and this is nothing new. Other people have done it on YouTube. This is just my way. So I thought, and let me bring you in there and put focus on so you guys can see the way I do them. Oh, I didn't do that one. It was good. Oh. So this way you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, okay, that's better. I am making them, and I'm doing a little more than just doing one cut. See, here's another one that I didn't cut well. I got these, I forget what these are called. That's real good. Okay, I got these on Amazon. They're serrated, here the label says serrated scissors, but that's not really, pinking shears. That's the right word. Okay, so let's see, it tells you how I'm with it, but I've been creating and working on a couple more kits / envelope journal thingies related to my paper pack releases and gearing up for some other things that are coming out in January. And one of the things, I bought these because I wanted to make some faux ephemera stamps. And so, let's see, I showed you guys that one. I'll show you guys a couple other ones real close, or up close. This one is a petunia, hint, hint, hint. Let's see, from the seed store. And again, these are not anything new, but maybe my way is different, or maybe you'll connect with the way I do them. This one's kind of large for a stamp, but I thought it'd be a cute little card to stick in as an ephemera piece. So maybe that's not necessarily a stamp, but more so, and same with this one. This one's kind of large too. But these other ones are perfect stamp sizes, right? Okay, so again, I bought these on Amazon, not too expensive. I don't know, $7, $10, I don't know, something like that. So and if you don't have these, use a tearing ruler, or maybe tear it by hand. Use your die cut machine. I don't have a stamp die cut, so I made my own. I got these to do my own. But here, so what I'm going to do is, this is just a regular envelope, just to kind of show you what it's going to look like, right? And then what I would take is, where's my stamps? One moment, please. Okay, so I had to gather a couple other supplies. Apparently, I'm not as ready for this video as I thought I was. But I have a couple stamps, and there's all kinds of different stamps out there. This one is from Crafty Individuals in the UK, and it's got some stamps on there. And then this one is from 49 Market, their vintage artistry stamp set, and I'm using the two little stamps in the bottom. And I think those are the best I think that I have. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to go put the little square one on first. We'll see how it's going to look. Again, this is only, oops, I guess I should tack that down, right? Let's do a temporary tack. This is a repositional glue. So I'll just stick a little bit on there just to kind of hold it in place for me. I don't want it on this envelope necessarily, but I want it to, for demonstration purposes, I want it to be there. Okay, so, and which way is this? This is the right way, so I'm going to do a little, or is it the circle and then the square? Maybe it's the circle and the square, you know? I don't really know. I don't know. We're going to do both. Okay, so, all right, I think I have it the right side. No, it's this way. All right, so let's put a little circle there, and then let's flip it over, get a little more ink, and kind of make it look authentic. Put that one there. So that's what it would look like. Yeah, focus is on. There you go. You guys can see it. You know, with the faux stamping. So, and I think with the way I do them, and I don't know if anybody else does them, I've seen some pictures on Pinterest, and I know like Marta had done faux stamps and that, but I don't know if anybody does it my way. So I just thought I'd come on here and share with you the way I do it, because maybe it's something that will inspire you. Okay, so I got those. And what I first did was, and I love the effect, is I chose a napkin that had these images on it, the flowers and, you know, all the, you know, this was one whole napkin, all of this stuff, right? And I thought, oh, that's perfect for like creating faux stamps, right? Some of it's flowers, and then you've got some pea pods and stuff, and yeah, so just different things. And then I glued that onto book page, and you can see the book page in the background, just plain old book page. I tore it out of an old book. So I glued it on there. And I thought, oh, well, that makes, that's even, it's coming out great. I'm loving it. So, yeah. And I don't know if anybody else does that, but I loved it because I love the text in the background. It just kind of gives it more, I don't know, an authentic kind of look. You can really see it around the tree thing there. Yeah, the tree there in the background. I love that. Kind of, you know, gives it more an authentic look, I think, anyway. My humble opinion. Okay, hold on. Okay. Sorry. Gotta sneeze. Okay, so then I just took plain old cardstock, nothing special, and it doesn't really, you know, this is kind of like this was a blank card, all right, blank card, and so it's non-shiny on one side and shiny on the other. So, and I like using this side, and then I just glued them so they're backed onto the card. So then they have that initial creamy color. And then what I did was after gluing them on, and let me glue one on here, I'll show you how I do that really quick. Not that you don't know how to glue, but you know, let's do this one. Shasta Daisy is this label. I guess that's what you can call these. And I kind of just cut it, you know, in a square. It doesn't really matter, but to kind of get the shape going. Okay, and then I will take my glue, just a little bit of your PVA or Elmer's or your favorite glue stick, you know, whatever you like to use. You don't need anything special, I don't think, for this. But who knows? Who knows? And then I take my antique linen distress ink, and then I will I'll go around and oops, and just kind of ink it up just a little bit, just to kind of give them that. And you could leave it more just the plain white cardstock. Well, this isn't like pure white, but and it would look less vintage, but I wanted vintage stamps, so just a very light dusting of ink. Then this is where the magic happens. So I cut as close to the edge as I want. First, let's even this up because it is on there crooked. So I give myself a little bit of space if I just want to cut it out Am I talking too fast? I feel like I'm talking too fast. Just want to give you guys a quick little tidbit here because, you know, this is, I don't know, this is simple, but anyway. Okay, so I gave myself a border around the glued image, and then I will go again, let's see. Okay, so that's one pass around. And, you know, they kind of get, it's kind of stampish, right? You know, let me put it up to where you guys can see it. Okay, so it's sort of stampish, right? But then what I do is I take the scissors again and I offset the cut, so then you get a smaller edging. So I double cut these, and that's really how they become more authentic looking. And I made a mess of my desk, but that's it. So then you would just, you know, glue it into your project. So another junk journal tip from me to you. Happy New Year. Again, like I said, you know, there's all kinds of faux stamp videos, I'm sure, on YouTube. I've seen a couple of them. I've seen a couple pictures on Pinterest. But you know, I just thought I would show my way of doing it. So hope this inspires you to give it a try. Okay, so yeah, I love it. All right, guys, that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.